How to add any widgets on your desktop screen. Hi guys, let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to your Microsoft Store. Now click on the search bar and then you want to type B widget. Now you want to go ahead and click on install for this to be on your device. Now after downloading, you can go ahead and click on open. Now you want to go ahead on the app and click on new widget. Now you want to go down to the drop down close to time. Now as you can see, we have so many widgets over here. We have time, we have weather, we have your gallery, we have for finances. It depends on what you want to be on your own screen. Now you can also customize your own widgets on this particular app. Now you just need to go to customize and then you can choose whatever changes you would like to make to this particular widget. So for me, I went ahead to change my background color into what will be more suitable for me. And you can also play around with how you want your background to look like, the shape of it. And you can do that by increasing or reducing the background corner radius to suit your preference. Now you can also play around with the foreground color if you want, what you want those write-ups in it to look like. But me, I still loved mine in white, so I just left it to be like that. And you can also change the forecast into what you would like, maybe the current forecast or for 24 hours. That is also a choice. Now you can go ahead and add as many more widgets as you would like and go ahead and customize them to your taste. But this is exactly how you can add any widgets you want on your desktop. And if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.